We're often asked by clients in the Lockout Tagout category of products, how do we lock out an appliance, like an electrical appliance that's faulty in a workplace, to stop people using it until it's assessed by the maintenance team or whatever. It might be unsafe, we don't want people to use it, we don't want people to get electrocuted. Let's imagine for a moment this kettle is unsafe in some way, and I don't want anyone at work to use it. So the easiest way to render it inoperable until it's reviewed is a lockout device called a plug lockout device. So this gadget here allows me to put the cord of the appliance into the lockout device. I put that together. I would normally complete a do not operate tag. So I'd write down what the fault with the item is. I'd put my initials and so on there. Then I'd use a lockout padlock that says locked out, do not use. I'd put my tag on there, and I'd put my padlock through there, and I'd have it locked out like so. So no one can grab that and use it and potentially electrocute themselves. Great little product. It's called a plug lockout device. It's part of the Brady family of lockout tagout products. Let us know if you've got any questions on this or any other piece of equipment that you're just looking at going, oh man, how do I lock that out if there's a fault, to stop people using it and potentially being electrocuted or injured in some way if they use something that's faulty. We'd love to help out with any questions.